Hey, what is going on, guys? Check it out. I got a new pit table, I got a new room, I got a new truck for you guys. I got a brand new Traxxas XRT slider on eBay, guys, and I want to show you everything that I'm putting inside this truck to make it super simple to install. Guys, you can get this on my website, www.pnwrcmadness.com. Check it out. We got it all rigged up already, wired. Servo is centered. We got the GPM 25 tooth, servo horn all ready to go. All right, check this out, guys. I just want to show you the build before I start putting it in. I didn't really tell you. So we got the Mamba Monster 8S. We are running the Traxxas. This is the waterproof 2290. I think it would be steel gear. I'm not sure what that means. I just heard a lot of good things about it. So we are using this paired with the GPM adapter. And this also comes with the 25 tooth servo arm, and it is pretty stout. So check it out. We got the PNW RC Madness caddy. Comes with all the hardware. I got all my wires shaved down, and we are using the Fly Sky remote with this FGR4. I've already got it all linked up. And that is about it. The sensor wire ran underneath the caddy. All the other wires run right underneath the back into the slot. I stick a piece of foam in there to keep most of the water out. And the receiver fits nicely. So let's go. Check this out, guys. I don't want to steer anybody in the wrong direction. I accidentally grabbed the X-Max adapter. The adapter still works. This just is a different horn. It is set up for the X-Max, so I had to cut it down so that it clears the drive line, which it does, barely, not cut. So there we go. Quick tip, you can still use the X-Max horn, you just have to cut it in half. All right, so we got the Traxxas SW2290SG. It's running almost 1,000 ounces of torque. Check it out. Woo! All right, they got some grip. So I think it's perfect. Built this for my kids to run. Start learning how to run these big trucks. And this motor is, oh no! Oh no! Find the nut. I didn't bring any tools, so that sucks. Guys, when in doubt, just freaking tighten her down with a crescent wrench because you don't bring your tools. Found the nut after about 5 minutes. Let's go again. Whew. All right, seems faster. So that's just about top speed with this gearing, actually. That's like, it's pretty fast. That is fast enough to get hurt. These are all full throttle runs, guys, and these tires are just like, they feel so smooth. The truck runs so nice. Check the motor temp, see what we got. We gave it about 10 full pulls right there. It is about, well, let's see how warm it is today. Well, it's not 77. Maybe it is only 70. No, that can't be. So the motor is running. Whew, she's getting warm. 116. The ESC is running at 107, 105. The batteries are at probably ambient temp right there. Not bad. It's going to be perfect for my kids. We'll definitely put the stock tires on it. I don't think it's going to blow the stocks. Woohoo! It's got some wheelies in it, guys. Whew. It's pretty fast, guys. I'm liking it. I think my kids are really gonna enjoy it. Yeah, it's got wheelie power. Let's check the motor again. Little finger test. It's getting kind of warm. It might be geared a little bit high, even for the heat, but it's still not getting too hot. So I think for bashing, it's awesome, guys. Let's come back here to the grass. Whew. All right, guys, we came to a new spot, round 2. Test on the asphalt, test on the grass, test on the dirt. We are at the Washington State Fairgrounds, formerly known as, whoa, there's the first scratch on the body. Castle Creation 1721 1260. Try that again. These tires are awesome on the pavement. Maybe not so awesome on the gravel, but here we go. Oh, not so awesome on the gravel. Feels pretty awesome, guys. It's pretty fast. Oh! Oh, wrong way.